In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Calendar events directly from Gmail, a convenient feature that can save you time and ensure you never miss an important event. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Gmail and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Once you're in, look for an email that contains event details, such as a flight confirmation or a meeting invitation. This email will often have a date, time, and perhaps even a location, everything you need to create a calendar event. Click to open the email, and you'll notice that Google conveniently identifies potential event details and presents an Add to Calendar prompt right inside the email. This prompt usually appears at the top of the email. If you see that, go ahead and click on it. This is where the magic begins. Google will attempt to fill in the event details based on the information in the email. Once you click Add to Calendar, a new event form will appear. Here, you'll see an automatically generated title, which is usually derived from the subject of the email. You can customize this by clicking the title field and typing in a name that makes the event most easily recognizable to you. Next, verify the date and time to ensure they are correct. If they aren't, don't worry. You can easily modify them by clicking on the date and time fields. Be sure to also set the event to the correct time zone, especially if it involves travel or communication across different regions, to avoid any confusion later on. Fill in any additional details for the event. You might want to add a location if it's not already included, which can be super helpful if you need to navigate to a new address. You can add participants too by entering their email addresses into the guests field. This is a great trick if you want to automatically send them the calendar invite. Before you save, consider adding a notification or reminder. This ensures a nudge ahead of the event, keeping it fresh in your memory. Just click the bell icon, choose how and when you'd like to be reminded, either through email or a pop-up, and set how many minutes, hours, or days in advance you want this reminder. Once you're satisfied with everything, just hit the Save button. A prompt may appear asking if you'd like to send email invites to the added guests. If you want them to receive an official invitation, click Send. By following these steps, your event is now added to your Google Calendar directly from Gmail, all streamlined for your convenience. And there you have it. This process takes the hassle out of manually entering calendar events and helps you stay organized directly from your inbox. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks.